Say goodbye to missing your favorite shows. This feature allows you to revisit and enjoy content from 86 live TV channels, including news channels and comprehensive sports coverage, with everything aired in the past 7 days. Whether you're looking to rewatch a recent episode or catch up on what you missed, the Playback utility offers effortless access to a full week's worth of shows, ensuring entertainment is always at your fingertips. Choose your desired channel. Press down to select the time frame of the program you want, and press the right button to select the time mark. Use the progress bar to fast forward or rewind as needed. You can also click on the settings icon to choose the specific time you want to watch. Next, access the settings menu, where you can check the network speed by selecting the Internet Speed option. Adjust the aspect ratio by pressing down on the corresponding setting. Lastly, for decoding options, there are 3 available choices. It's recommended to select hardware for the most stable and smooth viewing experience.